everyone, my name's Danielle and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This is a fun show where we make board game themed desserts and treats based on some of your favorite games. This week we're going to focus on Honey Buzz, which is a newer game that's gotten a lot of buzz, as a lot of people like to tell me. Instead of doing cookies, we're actually going to make no-bake cheesecake and decorate them so that they look like the honeycomb pieces in the game. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need to make your no-bake cheesecake. You'll notice later that you're going to need more butter and a little sugar too. First step is you want to cream all of your cream cheese. It should be at room temperature. But you just want to put in your mixer and get it nice and smooth. While this is mixing, I'm sifting my flour using a strainer because I find it a lot quicker. Maybe not cleaner, but quicker. And now you want to add in your powdered sugar to the smooth cream cheese. Once that's all mixed together, I add in my honey and vanilla extract, and that's a little bit of yellow food coloring. So this way we have more of the honeycomb color. Once it's all mixed, I'm going to fold in a container of Cool Whip. Try not to lose all the fluffiness of the Cool Whip. And we're ready to go. This is a tale of two crusts. This first one, I'm adding enough butter, I'm adding honey, and when I was mixing it, I noticed that it seemed a little too crumbly, which kind of went against my baking instincts, but I've never made a no-bake cheesecake before, so I just went with it. Don't just go with it. Trust your guts. See, it packs down nicely. And then I put my tasty filling we made on top. Make it nice and smooth, and then put it in the fridge for at least 8 hours. And here's how you could tell that something's wrong, because it bends and it crumbles. Nope. Fail. So I scraped off all of the topping, and we're going to try again with more butter and some brown sugar. So I add some brown sugar into what I already had and a whole stick of melted butter, which is probably a little overkill, but I wasn't going to chance it again. And now look, it's a lot darker and it actually sticks together. And I'm going to repeat and put it on the cream cheese topping again. Put it in the fridge again. Here it goes. And look, it doesn't bend in the middle when you take it out. So I'm just using my cookie cutter to push it out. And I sliced my thumb before I did this, so it's a lot more difficult. And this is when you have your husband help you, because his thumb is not sliced. And don't worry, I'm not going to throw out all those extra pieces. You'll see them again. Time for decorations. Easiest first. I took some jelly and I heated it up so this way it's condensed. And we could use it for the red lines on the hive tiles. And look, I even add some more red color, so this way it just looks like we're boiling blood. Appealing. Thankfully, it's actually strawberry jelly and tastes good. And now I can use that to put all the red lines on the hive tiles. Now I've got some white chocolate with a little bit of yellow in it, and I microwaved it to melt it and add some extra yellow color, and this is going to be all the rest of the lines that are outlining the hive tile. Now for some fondant. This is where I realized I should wear gloves and start wearing gloves to dye the different colors. And you can see I gave up. So these are the different colors I found that I needed for the hive tile decorations. This is for the marker one, for the little honey label tag. And right now I'm outlining to get the nectar. And that's for the rosemary one. Next I cut out the brown and I use it to make a little bag for the forage hive tile. And these are making a long string-like thing to go behind our yellow icon on the market hive tile. And that was for the wildflower. This is for the cherry blossom. And now these ones are for the new bees. And also for the decrees. I was multitasking. Going color by color. And these are for the little fans that you have on the produce hive tile. I've got quite the assembly line going. I tried 2 different types of fans for the produce thing. Right now I'm doing the details on the little new bee for the new bee tile. And these are the details on the decree with the little scroll that goes on the decree hive tile. And the fan for the produce tile. Make the decree thing look more scroll-like. And instead of drawing all of the little acorns for the accounting hive, I just drew one nice 5 acorn. And now to get even more details, these are for the little tags that go on the market one, the market hive tile. With the little percentage signs because you're taking all your honey to market. And now I'm drawing some flowers to go with our bag on the furge hive tile. And the tricky part is cutting them all out. And those are some more little flowers. And there you go. In the upper left we've got our nectar tiles, and then we have all the rest of the hive tiles all assembled. Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these tasty and cute no-bake cheesecakes. Please like the video below, and while you're down there, hit subscribe. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!